Joy, McKinley, and Wilson, we're back with you on Sweet Cypress. So I want you guys, everybody at home, to notice the difference between a dog that has been trained in drive as opposed to that Weimaraner. The attitude is completely different. The dog is in a motivated state of mind, trying to do what you want. A dog that isn't trained in drive, you know, and then again, we say this all the time, these people that say, oh, we don't use treats to train. Yeah, we can tell. So you've got to have something to motivate them. You know, that would be like saying, well, you should just work. You don't have to get paid. You should just do it because you like it or because I said so. That doesn't fly. You want them to be in a motivated state of mind. So what we're using is these other dogs today, because she doesn't discriminate between other dogs or people. She's a social butterfly. She likes to go to everybody. So the big thing you're going to have to train yourself, Joy, is that our biggest thing, as soon as we hook that leash on, is I don't want that leash made tight. That's on my mind all the time. Cypress, good, good, good. So I'm very aware of where the leash is. Good, wonderful, 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 wonderful. Good, good, good. Down. Wonder, 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 wonder. Nope. Good. Wonder, wonder, wonder. Good. Cypress. So I've got my leash. Good. Never want to wrap the leash. Good. By keeping the leash loose. Once you tighten up the leash, whoops, heel. Once you tighten up the leash, the dog doesn't have to think about where you are because it's very obvious. You're right at the end of the leash. Heel. Down. Good. Wonder. No, no, down, good, down, no, down. Am I not hearing that sound box?
It's on.
Oh, okay. Yes, I'm not hearing it. Cypress, heel, good. No. Good. Wonder. Wonder. Good. Wonder. Wonder. So the body posture is very important. Good. Down. Oh, what a good girl. No. No. Good. Good. No. Down. Good. 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 No, down. That's actually her grandma right there. Cypress. Wonderful. 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 Down. More updates soon.